Hey everybody, we are in all things algebra. This is the geometry version though. This is for congruent triangles. Congruent means same measure as, equal to. So congruent triangles have the same sides and angles, I assume is what they're looking for. Same side measures, same angle measures. This means all corresponding parts, sides, and angles are congruent. Okay, so if you're a visual person, look down here. We got triangle ABC being congruent to triangle DEF. That means A and D are the exact same measure. So A has one slash, D has one slash. B is the second letter, so is E. That means they match up. So B and E will be congruent. So B has two slashes, E has two slashes. And C is the third letter. It matches up to F, the third letter. So C and F will be congruent to each other. And you can see that 3 with 3. The sides are the same between the A and the B, which is between the 1 slash and 2 slash, will be the same as the 1 slash and 2 slash angle. See, it has a 1 slash. Same thing with the 2 and 3 slash sides. CPCTC, corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Congruent triangles are congruent. It just means the ones that match up are going to be equal to each other. Okay, so directions: list all congruent angles and sides given the congruency statement. Okay, so on number 1, it's very easy. I teach my student whatever's first matches up with whatever's first. So J is first, it matches up to P, which is first. So angle J congruent to angle P. Whatever's second matches up to whatever's second. So K matches up to Q. And whatever's third matches up to whatever's third. Angle L congruent to angle R. All right, with the sides, now that you have sides, you have to have 2 letters to make a side. So again, I match up what is in order letter-wise. So J, K are my first 2 letters. It'll match up to PQ, my first 2 letters. The last 2 letters, JL, will match up to the last 2 letters, QR. KL, QR. Now put the first 2 with the first 2, and I put the last 2 with the last 2, so now I got to put the first and third with that first and third. So doing this is very easy. And there will be problems down the road where you're going to have to match up the order of the letters in order to actually solve a problem. Right now we're just naming. So W is first, E is first. X is second, F is second. And Y is third, it matches up to G. First 2 letters go with the first 2 letters, so side WX be congruent to side EF. Last 2 letters go with the last 2 letters, so the side of the triangle XY matches up to FG. And the first and third, that side of the triangle matches up to EG. All right. Number 3, what are we doing here? It says given KPM's congruent to triangle AYC, complete the following statements. Okay, well, if you're a visual person, you can go through and put a little 1 slash for K because it's first, A is a 1 slash. And if you're a visual person, P would be given 2 slashes, Y would be given 2 slashes. You can do it that way. If you want a shortcut, just look at the order that they're matched up. K and M are the first and third, so it'll be AC the first and third. CY is the third and second, so it'll be M and P because it's the third and second. Just making your life easier here. PK, second and first, will be YA, second and first. Okay, angle Y is the second letter. P is what it matches up with. K is the first letter, it matches up to A. Okay, look at the order of the letters. They're talking about an angle. ACY. So A first, C third, Y second. You have to go in that same order. KMP. Okay, again, watch the order. This time it's a triangle. MPK. MPK. Looks like they're just going backwards. So you gotta do the same thing. CYA. And they're gonna name this triangle YAC. So second, first, third, PKM. It's not to make it difficult, okay? It doesn't have to be any more difficult than what it already is. Just match up the order of the letters. If I have a special needs student in my room, I literally have them number them 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or use their fingers. First one goes to the first one, second goes with the second, that kind of thing. Anything to kind of home in on what they need in order to understand. Okay, let's see. I think I may leave it right there. It looks like this back page is way more interesting on solving stuff. So I'm going to make this part 1, and I'll catch you on part 2.